Squared Fitness. Today we'll be breaking down the seated barbell good morning. Alright guys, so key points of performance. We're getting into another variation of a hinge mechanic. And anytime that we're hinging, we want to keep our back flat. So we'll start, I'll pick the barbell up here in a second. You're going to start with a really wide stance. Pin your shoulders back, and then you're going to drive your knees out, pinching your shoulders. The position will look like here with my back flat. Do not do this movement if you're crouched over. It all initiates from the shoulders, pulling the shoulders back. So you'll likely be doing this exercise from pulling it off a squat rack and then stepping on or sitting on a bench. I'm using what I got. Get your wide stance. Actively pull down on the barbell. Knees are really wide. I'm intentionally pushing the knees out. Squeeze your shoulders, squeeze the shoulders, squeeze the shoulders. Back stays flat. You notice from this position, just like any hinge, when you're deadlifting, doing kettlebell swings, whatever the case may be, I'm pushing my hips back so much that my shins are vertical. Keep the barbell pulled down on your shoulders. Maintain a flat back position. That's the seated barbell good morning. Get after it. Like that.